At night time, rest on your right side. Breathe gently and don't glance about abruptly. From the vital point of the mind within your heart, imagine a white syllable, A, about the size of a thumbnail, emitting light, and this light emanates forth across all appearances and existence, samsara and nirvana, which melt into the light, are reabsorbed into you and dissolve into the A. By meditating without distraction in that very ongoing experience, while you are asleep in a dream, and similarly, first be certain and then multitudes will proliferate from one, and those multitudes will be absorbed back into the one. The fierce will be transformed from the quiescent, and there will be apparitions of gods, nagas, and so forth. At that very moment, train in their unreality, and gradually mingle with their unborn luminosity. On all such occasions, make supplications to your teachers and do not be distracted even for an instant.